Hello from Abiloader. Today I wanted to show you a red hot 2023 model Octavia, Skoda Octavia. We just finished the Abiloader and the new Veigel hand control. So this is how it looks inside. It's a reasonably roomy luggage compartment, but it does have some limitations with the tilt of the rear door. I'll show you how it works. I'll just send the remote control. And meantime, this is the interior of the car. We installed the Veigel push-pull hand control with vertical grip. So it's just acceleration, brake, horn, and indicators that inbuilt into the handle. So follow the Abiloader now. So as you can see, the wheelchair, while it's all the way inside, it's still some of the frame and the backrest of the wheelchair still above the shape of the rear of the car, but it's still well accommodated inside the boot. So we can close it. Now a quick overview again of the hand control. It's really nice hand control, ergonomically nice to use, because you can simply just drive like that. That's the grip. Indicators under control of your finger. So basically I'll show it from another side. So you can indicate one way, indicate another way. They self-canceling. That's from excuse me for obstruction. Yeah, they came from Veigel, Germany. This is an action, acceleration and brake, and that's obviously Abiloader control. And as a comparison, I can show you what we've done in this Mazda. So this is a Mazda 6 that pretty much finished as well. Abiloader plus in this car we installed padded transfer board. So it just pulls out, flips down, it's soft, and this is a sure grip hand control. So it's another electronic brand, that electronic for the acceleration and mechanical for brake. The big difference between this hand control and Veigel, I'll try to get into the car. Sure grip hand control does have quite bulky, sharp edges on this side, and for some people it could be important because their knee gets on the way. If Veigel doesn't have it. I can quickly go back to the Veigel and just showing the comparison how the Veigel hand control. Yeah, look at this beautiful color. It's shiny, new. Okay, this is how the Veigel looks. So it's pretty much nothing. That's all we see. Yeah, so for people that really keen to have more space on this side of the car, so left side is pretty much free. Yeah, and it's quite neat installation as well. It's all tucked in, so it's very high, nothing on the way. So good choice for some. Okay, thank you for watching.